Welcome to Colliers Wood Shop. The other day I got an email from a customer that wanted a shelf. She sent me a picture and some rough dimensions. From that, we crafted these shelf brackets that look like the ones that she sent in the picture. And upon further reading the email again, she said she was going to hang her Graham's Antiques on it to make sure that it had strong brackets. So I just want to tell everybody how blessed we are for people to put the trust in Colliers Wood Shop to build stuff for them that holds their